Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. Today's video is very special because we are going to unbox the Hot Wheels Premium American Scene Car Culture set. So this is a container set and this is for adults. The contents of the set is we have the Tesla Roadster, the Dodge Hellcat, Ford Bronco, Chevelle and Corvette C8.R. So let's unbox it. This is an imported set and this is not available in India. This was released in the year 2022. So we are unboxing this very cool American Scene car culture set. Look at the details done on the container. It is so cool here. So there's like minute details, so you can actually feel this here. So that gives the ultimate container feel. And then you even have these here. So it is so cool. So this is a very nice container. Now let's open this amazing pack. Look how cool the cars are. So now let me remove these cool cars out of the container. So in fact it is actually very hard to remove. We have unboxed the Hot Wheels American Scene Car Culture Hot Wheels Premium set. So this is the set of 5 cars. It was actually very hard to remove it out of the container. Guys, please be very careful while removing it out of the container. So this is the container which it came in. This is made up of hard plastic. Indeed a very good display piece. So let me review these cars one by one to you. At first we have the 69 Chevelle SS, a wonderful casting. This is from the Hot Wheels Premium American Scene set. This comes with the color combination of orange and black. A very wonderful casting. Look at the wheels. It is designed in such a way that it matches so well. Hot Wheels Premium always has different kind of wheels which makes it so cool. So now let me show you the front of the car. The front of the car, look at the headlights there. The minute details is what makes this Hot Wheels Premium outstanding from the other main lines. If you check the other main lines, you would not have so many details like the headlights. Now let me show you the other side, that is the rear end. Look at the details which is there, the tail lamp details. It is again very nice. Now let's concentrate on the car. So now let's concentrate on the car. So showing you the base of the car, as this is the Hot Wheels Premium, it comes with a metal base and rubber tires. Isn't it wonderful? Look at the details which is there in the base of the car. This is so nice. And this is little heavy too. So this is the Chevelle, a very nice car and one of my favorites. So let's move on to the next car. Up next we have the Dodge Charger Hellcat. Look how cool this casting is. So nice. This comes in a color combination of neon green and black color. Overall this is a very nice casting and it is little heavy too. So if you guys notice, again the wheels matches the concept of the car. This is so nice. Now focusing on the headlights, this Dodge Charger Hellcat's headlight is so perfect and I'm in love with it. And the details which is there on the bonnet is so much wanted to this Hot Wheels Premium, which makes it a very good car. So now moving on, look at the rear end again. So there's a spoiler kind of thing here which is there again, which is very cool. And the tail lamp details again done in a very perfect manner. So talking about the base, so this comes in a black base and it has rubber tires too. All these cars are made in Thailand because they are Hot Wheels Premium. Overall this casting is also nice. So let's move on to the next set of cars. Up next we have the Ford Bronco. Isn't it so nice? So this comes in a color combination of teal and white. Again the wheels are so nice, matching the off-road concept. Overall, this is a very nice casting again. All the cars in this series is very nice. So if you want to focus on the top of the car, there's again that minute details there which makes it so nice and highly desirable. In fact, it even has the mirrors there which makes it so wanted for this. And one of the reasons why I bought this set is for this car. Look at the rear end here, it even has that extra tire there. All these minute details, guys, doesn't it make it wonderful? I wish all of the Hot Wheels has these kind of details. Look at the front, the headlights. Again, it is very nice. And then there's that 20 which is written on the bonnet of the car. This is a very nice casting again. So let me show you the base. So this rubber tires is so nice and it comes with the black base. Overall, again, this is a very nice casting. So let's move on to the next set of cars. Then we have this car which you guys are highly familiar because of the pop culture set which just came in. This is the same Corvette C8.R and many people did not like it because it had the Barbie decals. Look how cool this is, and the details again is so nice. All these cars comes with the metal body and metal base. So look at the color combination. It comes with the white, blue and red, and there's that red stripe on top which makes it so nice. And this car comes with a spoiler and the mirrors. Overall, again, this is a very cool casting. And if you look at the headlights is made up of plastic. This is so nice because in many of the cases it will be painted and it is not painted, making it a good casting. And focusing on the wheel, again the wheels are very nice and up to the mark, and I'm sure the people who didn't like the car in the Barbie decal will love this. So moving on to the base of the car, again this comes with the black base. Overall, it is a nice casting, but there's not many details in the base of the car. So let's move on to the next car. The next car is the Tesla Roadster. Guys, doesn't it give you the Zamac feel? So overall, again, it is a nice casting and it is plain if you compare it to the others, because others had stripes or they had other details on their front or back. The only detail which is there here is the Tesla which is written in the back, and it has the painted tail lamps. Overall, this is a very nice casting and it is plain is what I like here. So look at the headlights here. The headlights are painted in this, so not bad. Overall, this is a nice casting again. And talking about the base, so the base is of black color and same rubber tires. And if you ask me which wheels do you like among the 5 cars, I would say this wheel stands out and this is very nice, and interior is also actually very nice. I'm not sure if you guys can see it in, but interiors are also done in much detailed way, and these are highly wanted for the Hot Wheels premiums. So this was a set of 5 cars, and now we'll be doing the rolling test to find out which one rolls out very smooth. Now we'll be doing a rolling test to find out which car from this set rolls pretty nice. At first, for the rolling test, we have the Chevelle. Now let's see how it rolls. This rolls pretty well. Let's move on to the next car for the rolling test. We have the Ford Bronco. This again rolls pretty nice. Let's have the next car, and we have the Tesla Roadster for the rolling test. This rolls way better compared to the other 2 cars which we just rolled. Now time for the Dodge to appear for the rolling test. So look how nice it rolls. In fact, most of the cars are rolling pretty nice. Now let's get the Corvette for the rolling test. Again, the Corvette is also rolling quite well, and these are made up of rubber tires and it rolls pretty good. So I must say all the cars have passed the rolling test. This was the American Scene Hot Wheels Car Culture Premium Set. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do check out our other videos. Please follow us on Instagram. The link is below in the description. See you guys in my next video.